About the size of a carry-on suitcase, a Rinnai gas tankless water heater can be installed on virtually any wall inside or outside your home. The interior unit can vent directly to the outside or vent through the roof and is designed to maximize both safety and space usage. Exterior units require no venting. With a capacity of up to 9.84 gallons of hot water per minute, the Rinnai is capable of supplying continuous hot water through multiple outlets simultaneously. That means you can run multiple showers and the washing machine at the same time without running out of hot water. The residential units have a temperature range of 98 to 140 degrees and feature a direct electronic ignition, meaning there's no pilot light, saving more energy. PSNC Energy is an authorized Rinnai installation service provider. We can help you determine which Rinnai natural gas tankless water heater system can best meet your needs. PSNC Energy also offers superior expert delivery and installation. Ask your PSNC Energy representative about adding a hot water recirculating system to your tankless water heater. With a hot water recirculating system, you'll not only enjoy instant hot water, you'll reduce your water usage and extend the life of your tankless water heater. And don't forget to ask about current rebates, tax credits, or other incentives that may be available. Let's take a quick look at how a tankless system works. When hot water is needed, the system senses the demand for hot water and activates the gas burner system. The unit instantly takes the temperature of the incoming water and adjusts the gas burners to efficiently heat the water to your desired temperature. When the demand for hot water is satisfied, the Rinnai turns itself off, saving energy.